On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is one of the easiest methods that you can use to make money online as a complete beginner, because I'm going to show you an AI that will do all the work for you. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you're going to create a Digistore24 account. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money. So if you click on any of these categories, you are going to get a lot of digital products that you can promote to earn money on this platform. But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. This product is one of the best that you can promote on this platform. You can see the sales rank, it is ranking number 1, as you can see it right here. So this product is selling well, so you have to promote it so that you can get many people to buy it for you to make money. If you are new to the product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sales page, so that you can see the landing page of the product. Once you click on the sales page, you are going to see a page like this. This is the landing page of the product. So this is the first page that your potential customer is going to see before they purchase the product. So once they click on it, they are going to get a pop-up message like this. This particular page will also convince your potential buyers to buy the product for you to make money. So let me close it. So if you want to get more information about the product before you promote it, you can just click right here to watch the video. Once you watch it, you can get some basic information about it before you begin to promote it. So now once you get to know more about the product, the next step is that you are going to begin promoting it. So you can see right here, this is your affiliate link. If you are new, you are going to see something like promote now. Once you see something like that, just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. This is the amount of money that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. You are going to be earning $26.30. So if you get people to buy, this is the amount that you are going to earn. So now what you have to do is that you have to copy your affiliate link so that you can begin promoting the product. But before you copy the affiliate link, I want to show you an AI bot that will help you to promote the product. So now the next step is that you are going to come on this website, gochale.ai. This particular AI bot is going to generate an engaging content for you that you can use to promote the product. So now what you have to do is that you have to sign up for a free account. So you can see right here, you can sign up for free. So just click on try for free now. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So you have to enter your email address, enter your password, confirm your password, but your password must meet all these requirements. Once you enter the password requirements, you are going to click right here, I agree with the terms and conditions. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to click on create account. Once you click on that, they are going to give you a verification code that you have to enter before you get access to the platform. Once you enter the verification code, you are going to get access to a free account that look like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to use it to write an engaging content so that you can use it to promote the product. To write an engaging content, you have to select right here, writing trick. So just click on it. Once you click on writing trick, you are going to select blog wizard. So just click on that. Once you click on that, you can see blog title. So you have to enter a title of whatever that you want to write. In this case, I want to write about keto because the product that we are promoting is about keto. So just type something like how to lose weight using keto meal plan. So something like this. And you can see the tone. You have to select the tone. So just type any tone that you want. If you want pleasant, you can select that. If you want polite, you can select that. Any tone that you want, you have to enter that right here. Once you enter the tone, the next step is that you are going to select the targeted audience. So this one we are targeting adults, so select adults, just adults. Once that is done, you can see keywords. So you are going to enter the keywords right here. So here is keto meal plan. The next one is weight loss. So weight loss, you can enter how to lose fat. Any keyword that is related to the product, you are going to enter it right here. Once you enter your keywords, you are going to click right here, fetch blog topics. So just click on it. Once you click on it, the doc is going to be running like this. So just wait for it. As you can see right here, it has created the blog topics. So now what you have to do is that you have to write the blog outline. So just click right here, fetch blog outline. The doc is always going to be running, so just leave it like this so that it will fetch it for you. As you can see, it has created a useful blog outline. You can see everything. This is the blog outline. So when you scroll down you can see everything. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, proceed to overview. So just click on that. Once you click on it, you can see this is the overview of everything. You can see everything. You can see your block outline. You can see everything. If you are okay with everything, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then click right here, fetch block. If you want to change anything, you can click right here, start over, so that you can start afresh. In this case, I'm okay with everything, so just click on fetch block. Once you click on fetch block, you can see it has generated a very useful article for us. You can see everything. This is a very useful content that you can use to promote the product. You can see everything. It has generated a very useful content. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to use this particular content to promote the product. To use it, you need to open a Google Docs so that you can copy and paste the content on a Google Docs. Once you paste it on a Google Docs, you can use it to promote the product. So you are going to search for docs.google.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Just click right here, blank, so that you can create a new document. Once you click on blank, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to give a name to your document. So just come right here and then give it a name. In this case, we are going to type something like how to lose weight using keto meal plan, something like this. This is the name of our document. So the next step is that we are going to copy and paste the content right here. So just come back. Once you come back, you can see right here, just click on this particular icon so that you can copy the whole text. So just click on it. Once you click on it, it has been copied to your clipboard. The next step is that you are going to come back and then paste it right. As you can see, the content has been pasted. You can see everything. This is the content. So now the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link into this particular article. You can see the AI has generated a call to action right here. So you are going to insert your affiliate link right here, so that anytime people read this particular document, they click through your affiliate link and then purchase the product that you are promoting, so that you can be making money. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, you can see here's your affiliate link. Just highlight and copy it. As you can see, it has been copied to my clipboard. Once that is done, you are going to come back and then highlight the call to action right here. Just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to click right here, insert link. Once you click on that, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. You can see meta description. We don't need that, so just delete the first one. Just delete everything. We can insert images onto this particular article so that it will look nice. So you are going to shift the text downwards. So just shift it downwards so that you can insert an image. Just shift it downwards. As you can see, that has been done. So now the next step is that we are going to insert an image in the first page of our document. There are several websites that you can get royalty-free images that you can insert in your document. In this case, I'm going to be using this one right here, pexels.com. So once you are on the website, what you have to do is that you have to search for the image that you want. In this case, we want an image about keto diet. So just click right here, keto diet, so that you can get a free image. Once you click on it, you can see these are free images that you can use for whatever purpose that you want. There's not going to be any copyright strike. So just download any of them that you want. In this case, I want to use this one, so just click right here so that you can download it. As you can see, it is downloading. So it has been downloaded. Once you download your image, you are going to come back on your document and then click right here. You can see insert image. Just click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to select upload from computer. So just select that. Once you click on that, just select your image, click on open so that it can be uploaded right here. You can see this is the image. You can expand it a little bit. As you can see, that has been done. So now once you have your image, the next step is that you are going to keep on inserting your affiliate link in the article. So you are going to scroll down and then keep adding your affiliate link into the article. So keep on inserting your affiliate link into it. So just highlight a text like this. Once you highlight it, click on insert link. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Click on apply and you can see this text is linked to your affiliate link. So anytime the readers click on it, they can get access to the product through your affiliate link. You can see here, this is the definition of keto. Just highlight it, click on insert link, paste your affiliate link into it, click on apply. So you have to keep on inserting your affiliate link into the article as many as you want. So just keep on inserting your affiliate link in the text. You can see, just highlight the text. Once you highlight it, you are going to paste your affiliate link, paste it and apply. Once that is done, you are going to keep on scrolling down and then keep on adding your affiliate link. Keep on adding. You can see right here, this is the end of the article. So now what you have to do is that you have to type a call to action that can get people to click through and then buy the product after reading this particular article. I have my call to action, so I'm going to paste it here for you to see. So just type a call to action like this. You can see right here, take action towards a healthier you with the keto diet. Start by educating yourself on the basics and work with a healthcare professional. Click here to learn more and stick with it for several weeks for best results. So this is a call to action, so you can just highlight this and then insert your affiliate link. Once you highlight it, just click on insert link. Once you click on insert link, paste your affiliate link right here, click on apply, and you can see this particular text is now linked to your affiliate link. So anytime the readers read the article, they are going to see your call to action. Once they click on it, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. So now what you have to do is that you have to download your document. To download it, you have to come right here, click on file. Once you click on file, you are going to select download. Once you select download, you are going to select PDF document. So just click on PDF document. As you can see, the document is downloading. You can see it has been downloaded. As you can see, this is the document. It has automatically opened. You can see everything. You can see your affiliate links. You can see at the bottom of it, you can see this is your call to action. Now the next step is that you are going to get people to read this particular document so that you can get them to click through your affiliate link and then purchase the product. So I'm going to show you free traffic sources that you can use to get people to read this particular article and then take the action for you to make money. The first one is pdfcoffee.com. On this website, you can upload your documents for people to download and read them. You can upload and publish a document in PDF format, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, any of the formats that you have, you can upload it onto this platform. The best part is that documents on this platform are getting thousands of views. You can see this one here, it has got 784,243 views. You can see this one has got a lot of views, and the downloads, you can see a huge downloads. When you scroll down, you can see this one right here, a lot of views, and you can see the downloads are huge. So many people are downloading books on this platform and they are reading them. So once they download your document, they can also read it and then purchase the product that you are promoting. You can see a whole lot of different documents and the number of views and downloads. You can see a whole lot of them. The second website is fdocument.com. When you search for it, fdocument.com, you are going to see a page like this. On this platform, you can upload documents for people to download and read them. You can see this document has got 382 views, this one 190 views, 107 views. When you scroll down, you can see many others and they are getting a lot of views. You can see this one has got 146, this one has got 518. And the best part is that you can upload documents based on any category that you want. You can see these are the categories. You can see documents, technology, sports, spiritual, you can see social media, self-improvement, and the rest. In our case, we are promoting a health product, so what you have to do is that you have to search for health. So you can see it right here. You can either select healthcare or you can select health and medicine. So we are going to be using health and medicine. So now what you have to do is that you have to create a free account. So just click right here, get started, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts, you can upload the document. Apart from the two websites, you can also search for this website, slideshare.net. This particular website also allows you to share PDF documents, so you can create an account and then upload it onto this platform. You can see documents here are getting thousands of views. You can see this one has got 45,394 views. You can see this one has got nearly 2 million views. As I scroll down, you can see many documents and they are getting thousands and millions of views. You can see this one has got 4 million views. You can see many others. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account on the three websites and then upload your document so that you can get many people to download it and then read it, so that they can click on your affiliate link and then buy the product. You can also come on Facebook and then share it on Facebook groups so that you can get people to read it. For example, you are going to search for weight loss, so just search for weight loss. Once you search for weight loss, you can see many groups that you can join. You can see I've joined this one. When you click on see all, you are going to see a lot of different Facebook groups that you can join and then share the book. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see I've joined this one, I've joined this one. Let me scroll down to show you some of them. You can see I've joined this one. You can see many others. So just join the group as many as you want so that you can share your PDF document with others. I'm going to use one of these groups to show you how you can share your document with other people using Facebook groups. You can see this group right here, I've joined. You can see it has 89k members, and the good part is that most of the members are from the United States. You can see USA. So you are going to be getting quality traffic to your affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to join. In my case, I'm a member, so you are going to see something like visit. Once you have joined the group, just click on visit group. Once you click on visit group, you are going to click right here, files. Once you click on files, you can see many people who are sharing PDF documents onto this particular group. You can see a whole lot of them. People are reading this document, so what you have to do is that you have to also upload your document right here so that you can get people to read it. To upload your document, you are going to click right here, upload file. Once you click on that, you are going to select your document. As you can see, this is it. Click on open and it's going to be uploaded onto the group. Once you upload your document, the next step is that you are going to type a post here so that you can get the attention of the group members to download your document. I have my message, so let me just paste it for you to see. As you can see, this is my post. You can see everything. So once you have your post like this, you have to type a call to action at the end of it. As you can see right here, this is my call to action. Click the link below to download our free weight loss document. So just type a simple call to action like this so that you can get the attention of the people. Once you have your post, the next step is that you're going to click right here, post. Once you click on post, the document has been posted. So the document has been posted. When you scroll down, you can see this is the document. It has been posted. You can see it right here just now. It has been posted. To get a lot of people to download it, you are going to click on share so that you can share it to a lot of different groups. So once you click on share, you can see right here, share to a group. Click on that. Once you click on that, you can see a whole lot of different groups. I have done a lot of different groups. You can see keto diet for beginners. Click on that. Once you click on that, you can decide to write something here, or you can just leave it like this and then click on post. You have to keep on sharing your post to different documents so that you can get them to read it. So make sure you keep on sharing your document, keep on sharing it to a lot of different groups so that you can get many people to download it, read, and then buy the product for you to make money. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.